Hello, YouTubes! One last time, we're going to end this journey at Spirit Halloween. So when I started doing these store walkthroughs, I did it when we were all on lockdown for COVID, and people were afraid to get out or couldn't get out, and the stores were closed or they were limiting people inside. So it was a kind of a way to show people what was in stores, on shelves, what the price was, who had what. I started doing these shopping videos, the Code Orange videos. Well, now they're just played out, man. Every new channel does Code Orange videos for quick views, and established channels, and big channels. Their girlfriend starts a channel, and the other guy's son starts a channel, and Grandma Ma gets a channel, and 30,000 subs in 2 weeks, and they're off and running and doing shopping videos. It's played out, people. I just don't want to do it, home fam. I'm over it. Let all the new channels do that. They don't have any skill sets. They don't make anything. All they can do is point a camera. And they can't even do that half the times in the stores. They got to come out to their car and talk about what they saw in the stores and put all kinds of flashy shit on the screen and all kinds of fonts and stickers, and that's just stupid. I don't want to be any part of that anymore. I'm just done. It was fun while it lasted. I enjoyed doing it for you guys, going out and pounding the pavement and heading out into the wilds to see what was there, get a price on stuff and who has cool stuff and who has trash. And we're about to go up in Spirit Halloween and talk mad shit about all the cheap Chinese trash, and there's probably half broke by the time we even get out of that store. There's probably gonna be broken animatronics leaning over with the gangster lean and heads popping off. But I figure, why not finish this journey at Spirit Halloween? It's the last one. Not to say I won't ever do a store walkthrough again, but just not a normal thing, a regular thing. It's too played out, and I don't want to do more of the same, guys. I don't want to bore you. I don't want to do what all the new channels do to try and get views and get fast subs. I'm a DIY guy, man. I want to use my hands. I have a skill set. The other channels don't. They don't make anything. They don't build anything. They don't show you anything. They're just there for views and trying to build their Instagrams and get free shit from factories and stores and stuff like that. So we're about to peace out after this, but first, one last time, let's perpetrate up in the Spirit Halloween in an old abandoned Sears. I used to buy socks and tools here and clothes and freaking lawnmowers and stuff. So it's gonna be kind of trippy walking in there one last time. So I figure, let's go to Spirit Halloween and end it there, folks. Let's perpetrate one last time. Sears, man. I used to buy underwear and socks here and lawnmowers. And now it's reduced to one little Spirit Halloween. So let's perpetrate up in there and see what they got. Wow. A Ringmaster, man. Check it out. One of the ice works. Usually the ISCs I haven't seen in years because most of them are big. Of course, the price tags reflect that. $239. That dude's huge, man. Blow molded. He's got a latex, probably more vinyl face than anything. And he's not working. Oh, there he is. He's huge. He's pretty big. Look how big his hand is. I got big ass hands. And he's got like a clown in his chest or something. His eyes look cool though. He's got a good face on him. And ghost face is almost $300 of taxes. That's just kind of lame. No, I did not. Your Darth Vader gloves. Oh boy, you must be working a local truck stop. Look at that action. Oh yeah. 280. Oh my god. This is pretty cool. Oh, that sign is actually metal. The rest of everything else is cardboard. Alright, so you get to spin the wheel. No, 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 no. I want the knife. And the clicker's already broke. There you go. I'm already fixing stuff at Spirit Halloween. They should give me a job here. I'll take $2.50 an hour. That little rat's, it's kind of cool. What the hell is that guy up? Another reskin of Mr. Dark. $179 for the Scarecrow. He is really cheesy looking. He's got kind of cloth gloves, plastic. Just laughs. And then he's holding up his stick. He just gets rags on the bottom. So $179. Alright, god damn, I can't even hear myself freaking think. I don't know what this little girl does, but she's a Dark Princess. $169. Blow molded hands for the witch lady. Bunch of creepy cloth and windbreaker stuff. She's got a big ass face though. Yep. They don't say how much she is. Oh, she's $329 for towering Tallulah. She got some junk in the trunk too. Wow, man. So I don't know, she's like 10 foot tall, Mr. Dark. Good God. That's a big bitch. The little one has wings. Plastic popcorn. Art the Clown, what do you do? Oh, look at this. Press the yellow buttons. Oh. I don't know what it's doing. Shoot him right in the dick. Okay, so he waves. It's kind of cool. He's $199. Alright, fool. Blow molded hands. He's got landscaping. Oh no, it's actually, his costume's really thick. It's really actually pretty nice. His teeth need to be more black, but his costume's actually pretty thick for 179 or 200 bucks. That's pretty cool. Even the popcorn's pretty cool. That is solid resin, man, with a cardboard thing. That is heavy as hell. Okay, girl, what are you touching me for? Oh, her wings fold out. Alright. That thing's like 10 foot tall, man. The Mr. Dark reskin. More Oogie Boogie. And costumes. Beetlejuice, the big thing this year. Carnival. Missing our QR code. See if they got any more animatronics back there. I kind of want to see Wanda since I like spiders. Alright, let's go walk around see if they got any more animatronics hiding. Okay, so we got the first half. There's Teddy Ruxpin on these nuts. He's 300 bucks. 279 with taxes, he's 300. Okay, bear, do your thing. He's basically just like a big teddy bear, latex. He's got a little shirt, some fur on him. He's got some nubby fingertips. Okay, Mr. Barnaby Bear, what do you do? So far, he does nothing. I don't even know if he has eyes in there or what. Is there eyes in there? Do they light up or something? I don't know. The jumping spider, we're all tired of seeing that. They got Emily. She's looks just like the cartoon. And so does Victor. He's only $279, she's $299. Must be the hair. What's seagull? Oh, there's a seagull up there. Look in the back behind Emily's head. So they got both the corpse brides, $279, $299. It looks just like the damn cartoon, man. That's pretty freaking cool. They got posters of some kind. Silent and Deadly. This dude's got full blow molded shoes. He just looks dumb. He looks like a stupid version of Pinocchio.
Hi there, kids. You're a lovely sight. Here's a spooky tale to fill you up with fright. I'm a puppet who's trying to get unbound. So when you're fast asleep, I'm gonna roll around. Think twice before you laugh at me, 'cause you'll be funnier hanging from these strings.
You know, his costume material is definitely nice. It's thick, man. That's pretty good. He's got blow molded hands, blow molded head. So he's $309, just $309. He just, you know, he's just a crappy animatronic. He's a puppet. His shoes are blow molded. They're not skins, which is cool. Yeah, Bobby Strings, so they got two of them in stock. I just don't know what his mechanism up there is cardboard, so you put them outside. They got a Death Stalker. They got a Nozzles here. A Night Terror. Giant Death Ray. Oh, you know, we walked past Death Ray. We're going to go try and find him. Stilts. Here's all the corpse brides. They got nice boxes for the corpse brides. Here's another ridiculous clown.
Mind if I follow you around for a bit longer? well.
Latex face.
Caught my eye.
Blow mold sucker.
I'm just admiring your costume. Hey, you over there. Yeah, you. I'm giving out some candy.
Candy.
The sign. It says the head follows you with the motion sensor.
Yeah, motion tracking sensor. It's in the nose. You can see the little dot in the nose. Come on, fool.
Mostly.
Okay. Oh, here's the Wanda Webworth. Insert coin. She's latex and fur. Little latex Toofuses. Blow molded feet, but cloth legs. Yeah, that's how you start her. Just push in the button and it starts her. The start button's actually pretty cool. But she's got cloth legs, and she only has blow molded fingertips. The popcorns are actually really cool. They got the little rats down there. There's Cotton Candy Dan for $3.29. And the head pops out of the basket.
You go inside of here.
Yeah, it all looks like
This is a good display this year, though.
it's all cardboard.
Yeah, but like,
And he's got, I think, blow molded hands. Yeah, he's got blow molded hands. So, little head pops out with the cotton candy. It just feels like pillow material, but he's $3.29. Freaking prices this year are crazy, man. He's got some huge feet, man. And those are blow molded, so I'll give him that. Display's kind of cool. Got a spinning clown head up there. You see the giant death ray. I think the alien guy's here too. Yeah, so the giant death ray is $3.49. This guy is a pool noodle with a plasticky costume. The head's kind of cool laying the hell up there. He must be like 10 feet tall. He's got some big ass hands, blow molded. He don't do a whole lot though. He just got some rope lights in him. So for $3.29, Tree Fitty. Lloyd, Tree Fitty. So he's got some big ass feet. Again, about the size of mine. Boogie boogie. All right, let's go dive in. See what the hell this place has got. So here's all the lighting, man. The lighting is really cool. The fire and ice lights are awesome. Little bats. But the light bulbs are all $30 a whack. Come back on half price day when they're closing. Yeah, $29, $29.99, so get you them half price. And of course, Hocus Pocus is back this year, so they've got all that crap. Well, they got a Gizmo, a Chucky, Slashers, Clowns, Elvira, Trick or Treat. That's kind of cool. They got a little clown. Here's a pile of animatronics. So they got the Cauldroness. She's over there. Cerberus is not on the floor. He's only $129. He was $199, so they're dumping him for $129. Sitting Scarecrow, he's $109. These my guys might have been left over from last year. Max Straw. Gordo, he's from last year. They still got Bubba's for $129. A lot of Scarecrows left. They had a bunch of pods sitting out in front of the store, so I wonder if they just took all the stuff out of storage and loaded it in for this year. Alright, let's keep cruising and see what else they got. So they got all the skellies, the little snails they stole from Jack of the Dust, the tombstones. This guy's still pretty cool. I like that guy. The rest of the small ones, like Lloyd at Dead End Yard Haunt says, trash. We don't need clowns on strings. Monkey Shines. They got skellies. These guys are just junk. Actually, that's not bad. I thought that was gonna cave in, but they're $50. Go to Lowe's or Home Depot, get your skellies there. Here's some brown ones. These guys are a nicer version of those. They got a cooler head. So these are actually pretty cool. These skellies are $89. Get the hell out of here. This is just a stained version of the other one. He's a $54 skelly. So this guy's got lights or something in the eyes. He does something. That's why he's expensive. And they got the little guys. These are actually kind of cute. We saw something like these at Five Below. And these guys must be free because they don't have a price tag on them. He's $27.99. They got the hangers. Yeah, the details blowed out. Me and Jordan from My Flippin' Life noticed that the details are just about gone from these guys. The mold's worn out. There's like zero detail left. Same as these things, about nothing left of them. Alright, Spirit. What else you got? More tombstones, eyeball tombstones, witches, grave watchers. Oh, here's the Chupacabra. So this guy is 60 bucks. Foam-filled latex. Yeah, he's not too bad. I kind of like the chupacabra.
It's Raven.
Here's the seagulls. 25 bucks for a seagull. Yeah, the little kitty, he's been around forever, man. They got bunnies,
Yeah, but this is
rabid
Raven.
squirrels,
Like, this is Raven.
a groundbreaking skeleton. Hey, you might be able to get him if he's hard plastic and make a prop out of him. How much is this guy? 40 bucks. So you can put him on a skeleton and skin out a skeleton, make your own prop. It'd be pretty cool. Path markers, doll heads. I'm almost tired of seeing doll heads too. You got little lanterns. Alright, see if there's anything else worth finding in this place. And check out their masks. Little scarecrow. Yeah. The bat is really cool. I have one. I think it's from Walmart though, same manufacturer. Got a goat down there. Got a big bullhead. Bat's really cool. Oh, the black goat's actually pretty cool. They just painted it black for Spirit. Old man mask. Misfits. Pennywise. Creeper. Gizmo. A lot of plastic stuff. Some of these are more vinyl. Yeah, this is like vinyl. It's not even latex. It'll be junk in 2 years and crack and fall apart. Of course, we got our leather faces, which feel pretty decent. That's Trick or Treat Studios, so they make a decent mask off the shelf. At least get a couple years out of it. Crows. And friggin' clowns, as always. A freaky foam clown. Oh, so he's like a skinned face. He's foam filled. Nozzles, clowns, clowns, clowns. Man, come to Spirit for your clowns, as always. And your hard plastic masks. I think Myers has a lot of these. So if you guys get a Myers, it's a grocery store, but they also do Halloween. Really cool. And their vintagey line's really cool. The pumpkin, the witch, the clown, the zombie. He's pretty cool. I dig those. And then a big potato head, whatever that's supposed to be. Alright, let's take one last loop around, see if there's anything else worth showing. Alright folks, that's Spirit of Halloween. More of the same. More you're going to see in everybody else's videos. So I think I'm going to go look around for a little bit. Enjoy some time with Savage. And get the hell out of here. Go on to the next place. I appreciate you guys watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the videos over the years. I know most of you guys just like to watch me talk shit about everything I see, and when I see junk, it's junk. I don't care. So I'm surrounded in a store of it, all Chinese. So you guys stay tuned for DIYs. We're going to go back to my roots and do some old school videos again. And hope you enjoyed the series over the years. Appreciate you guys watching. And I will see you in the next video, man. Until I see you guys again, man. Always keep it evil, man. Laters.